Here we have the Toshiba satellite C655. Okay, before we look at specs, we're going to take a look around the device. Alright, so here we have the, I'll hold it up with this, and we have the vent right here, VGA, 2 USB ports, Ethernet, microphone, headphone jack. We have a DVD drive right here, AC power, and it does have a SD card reader, and it's kind of in an awkward place. Here, I'll show it. You can see it's right there. These are your indicator lights for power and drive usage. Okay, and now we're going to look at some specs. So here we come. So it weighs 5.5 pounds, has an Intel Celeron processor, and a processing speed is 2.3 gigahertz. It has a 6-cell lithium-ion battery. It has a high-definition LED widescreen display that measures 15.6 inches. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM and it's expandable to 4. It has a SATA hard drive and a 250 gigabyte hard drive size. It has an Intel graphics media accelerator. There's no webcam. None. Toshiba decided to go simple, and they did. Also wireless BGN, no Bluetooth, and the speakers are internal. They're right here and right here. Battery life is about 4.5 hours, a little bit less. And the touchpad does have multi-touch. Okay, and it has a textured stippled, covering throughout the entire body of the machine. It's kind of cool. It doesn't feel great in the hands, but it does. Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit. It has an Intel graphics chip, and it has an Intel graphics media accelerator card. And here we're comparing it to the HP G62, which is right here. And then we have the Toshiba. Alright. And right there is my custom made logo. It says Mr. Crunchy's 12. Alright. And for thickness, I'll show you them. Move that. The HP is just a little bit thicker. Next, we're gonna look at YouTube. Always like myself as YouTube. So we'll just type it in here. go to, let's see. And before I continue, might need to add something. The speakers are a little bit brassy and not very loud. So that's one thing you need to be watching out for. So let's see some HD video. Oopsies. This is going to be one of my new intros. Looks good. Alright. So this is not for hardcore gaming or like extreme video editing. This is just for everyday use. And same with the HP. Well, the HP is kind of debatable. I've actually done some hardcore, not some hardcore, but some gaming on this. I've done like Black Ops or something. Well, not Black Ops, but some games that are on multiple platforms. But anyway, and it does also have a number pad right here. That's fairly useful. And the keyboard is still nice and roomy. And I can go over here, do that. Here's an HD game trailer.
I don't know the names of the women I've killed, but I've killed many of them. When you look at me, when you flinch at my touch, so be it. What do we got? White female dumped in plain sight. I'll bet a month's salary this coffee cat.
Alright.
All put on display, all with messages.
And that is another HD movie. And let's look at HD download speeds. Here we have downloading. We're downloading this trailer. I'll zoom in on the... Okay. You can see it going up and down. Now it's going back down. It's about to open. There it is. And this is the Toshiba Satellite C655. What I like about it is it's fast, it's portable, it's lightweight. The battery life is good. What I don't like about it is that the display is a little dicey. It's a little bit pixelated if you zoom in far enough. Again, this is a cheap laptop. It's powerful, and also the speakers are brassy, not that loud. I'm Mr. Carnes, and this is the Toshiba Satellite C655.